Welcome to all of you. Today I am going to explain question answers of long and short chapter from page number 18. Let's start the question. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. So we have one table over here, and in this table we have high jump, long jump record of man and woman. Find out from the table how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the man's world record for high jump. So what you have to do here, you have to find how many more centimeters Chandrapal will jump, means कि Chandrapal और कितने centimeter jump करेगा, so that he will be equal to man's world record for high jump, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. Okay, so we all know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter and man's world record for high jump equals 2 meter 45 centimeter, that is by Xavier says, and it can be written as 245 centimeter. Next, high jump record of Chandrapal equals to 2 meter 17 centimeter and it can be written as 217 centimeter. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract 217 centimeter from 245 centimeter. After subtracting, we are getting 28 centimeters. So Chandrapal should jump 28 centimeter more to equal the man's world record for high jump. Moving to the next question. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. So you can see a table over here, same table we are using, and question is find out from the table how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters. So here what you have to do, you have to tell how many more centimeters Bobby A should jump to reach 2 meters, means कि Bobby A को कितना और सेंटीमीटर जंप करना पड़ेगा so that it will be equal to 2 meters. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to subtract 1 meter 91 centimeter from 2 meter. Now remember that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter and half meter equals 100 divided by 2 equals 50 centimeter. So we all know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, so 2 meter will be equal to 200 centimeter. High jump of Bobby A, that is this one, 1 meter 91 centimeter can be written as 191 centimeter, and after subtracting 191 centimeter from 200 centimeter, we are getting 9 centimeters. Thus Bobby A should jump 9 centimeters higher to reach 2 meters. Next question, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. So same table we are using over here, and question is find out from the table Ganila's long jump is nearly. Here we have option 7 meter, 7.5 meter, 8 meter. मीन्स आपको बताना है कि गालिनास का जो लॉन्ग जंप है वो किसके इक्वल है, नियरली किसके इक्वल है. ओके, सो वी कैन सी हियर गैलिना सी लॉन्ग जंप इक्वल 7 मीटर 52 centimeter. Okay, so long jump of Galina C is 7 meter 52 centimeter and it can be written as 752 centimeter. So from these options, 7 meter is 700 centimeter, 7.5 meter equals 750 centimeter and 8 meter equals 800 centimeter. So our answer is 750 centimeter is close to 752 centimeter. Okay. Moving to the next question. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. Same table we are using over here. Find out from the table, look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and highest jump? So longest jump, this is women's world record. So longest jump and highest jump, this one. So you have to look here. Here we have to look at the women's world record. Okay, so let's start the answer. We know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Long jump of Galina C equals 7 meter 52 centimeter and it can be written as 752 centimeter. High jump of Stefka K is 2 meter 9 centimeter and it can be written as 209 centimeter. So after subtracting 209 centimeter from 752 centimeter, we are getting 543 centimeter, and we all know 543 centimeter can be written as 5 meter 43 centimeter. That is your answer. Moving to the question 5th. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. So same table I have copied here also, so that it would be easy to see the answers. Okay. Now your question is find out from the table if Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So we know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter and 9 meter will be equal to 900 centimeter. High jump of Mike P, that is this one, I have highlighted this. 8 meter 95 centimeter, it can be written as 895 centimeters. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract 895 centimeter from 9 meter. So what we will get, we will get 5 centimeters. So our answer is if Mike P could jump 5 centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Question number 6. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. You can see this table and find out from the table whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. Steph Curry, Chandrapal, Xavier S and Bobby A. So I have already highlighted these names. You can see here. So because here in the question 2.5 meter is written, 2.5 meter means 250 centimeter. 2 meter plus half meter and it will be equal to 250 centimeter. So first take the first option, that is of Steph Curry. So to Steph Curry, you can see her record here 2 meter 9 centimeter, which will be equal to 209 centimeter. Next is of Chandrapal, you can see here 2 meter 17 centimeter, which is equal to 217 centimeter. And next is your Xavier S. Okay, so you can see here 2 meter 45 centimeter. You all know 2 meter 45 centimeter will be written as 245 centimeter. And next is high jump of Bobby A, that is 1 meter 91 centimeter and it can be written as 191 centimeter. So 245 centimeter is very close to 250 centimeter. Okay, thus the high jump of Xavier S is very close to 2.5 meters. Moving to the next question. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 km every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? Okay, so first tell me what you have to do if you have to find the length of the boundary of this field. You all know this is the square boundary and sides of the square are always equal. Okay, so our answer will be 2000 meter. Distance covered to take one round of the field will be equal to 2000 meter. And we all know 2000 meter equals 2 kilometers. So Devi Prasad ran 2 kilometers to take one round of the field as advised by the doctor. Moving to the next question. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? So here length of the boundary of the park is 400 meters. Number of rounds of the park taken by Devi Prasad to run 400 meters equals 1 round. So number of rounds of the park taken by Devi Prasad to run 2000 meters will be equal to 2000 divided by 400 and it will be equal to 5. So Devi Prasad must take 5 rounds in order to complete 2 kilometers. Moving to the next question. One day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day he ran dash kilometer and dash meter. Distance covered by Devi Prasad to take one round of the park is 400 meter. You have seen here. Okay. Now distance covered by Devi Prasad to take 8 rounds of the park, it will be equal to 400 into 8 and answer will be 3200, which will be written as 3 kilometer 200 meter. So our answer is Devi Prasad ran 3 kilometer 200 meter to take 8 rounds of the park. Now this question is on page number 20 and your question is from Kozhikode to Thasle. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 km away. Manjani is going to Thasle, which is 46 km away in the opposite direction. How far is Kozhikode from Thasle? Okay, so here in the answer, this one is Subodh and this one is Manjani. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. So you can see here I have already drawn a line here, okay, so that it will be more clear to you. And Manjani is going to Thasle, which is 46 km in the opposite direction. So you have to find the distance between Kozhikode and Thasle. So what you have to do, you have to add 24 km and 46 km. After adding 24 and 46, you will get 70 kilometer. Thus Kozhikode is 70 kilometer away from Thasre. Next question, how far is your home from school? Momen comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond with slippers in his hands. He then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350-meter wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach the school. So here is the school. Okay, so what you have to do here, how much does Momen walk every day to reach school? So what you have to do here, you have to add all these distances. After adding all these distances, you will be getting 940 meter. And next question is it more than 1 kilometer? So we all know 940 meter is less than 1000 meters. So answer is no. Thus the total distance traveled by Momen to reach the school every day is not more than 1 kilometer. Next question, find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table, write in meters or kilometers. So here you have to write your friend's name and you have to write the distance of home from school, meter and kilometer. Which among you lives nearest to the school? So I have filled some random data over here. So Annu 2 kilometer 200 meter, and Varun and Meena and Satyam Abhi. I have written all these names. Okay, you can write your own friends names. Okay, so here my first question is, who among you lives nearest to the school? So from this table it is very clear that Meena 800 meter is the distance. Okay, Varun 900, so 900 is greater than 800, so answer will be Meena lives nearest to the school. Next question, who lives farthest from the school? So it's very clear, answer will be Satyam. So Satyam lives farthest from the school. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? So 1 kilometer away from the, how many children live less than 1 kilometer? Less than 1 kilometer, so you can see here 900 meter and 800 meter. Less than 1 kilometer, so there are two children, Varun and Meena, who lives less than 1 kilometer away from the school. Next question, is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away? More than 5 kilometer means greater than 5 kilometer from the school. So let's see the table. Here you can see Satyam, he is living at the distance of 5 kilometer 200 meter. So there is one child, Satyam, who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school. He comes to school by school bus. How do they come to school? So he comes to school by school bus. Okay, so with this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.